Hi everyone, my name is Belia Damayanti Sembiring with student ID number 21120211097. So here I want to give reflection on for the first and until 8 meeting. There are 3 things that I have learned, also 2 things that I plan to implement in my class, and also the 1 thing that I still need to improve. For the first, I want to talk about the 3 things that I have learned already. For the first one, I learned about Alice that helps me to find many good resources, and I found it by our lecturer's YouTube, and I follow the tips. Also, I can understand that I can easily to collect all my resources without typing one by one. And also the second one, I learned about making the background. We must see and talk about the problem first. We must start from the case, from the problem, so we can think about the solution and the novelty. Why we want to talk about this topic, why this background is good for us to be the topic. And the third is, I also learned about the literature review metrics. I think this is the best one I learned during this semester, this 8th meeting, because from the literature metrics, it helps me so much to make the background and the literature review. Because from that, I can easily collect the information from the many resources I get. And then the second one is 2 things that I plan to implement in my class. The first one is I will implement in my class. I will do the other per subject with the same strategy, especially literature review metrics. As I said before, this is the best thing I get in this 8th meeting. If there's a task from the other lecturer and we need to make proposal or an article, I will use the metric, the literature review metrics. And the second one is, the last thing I want to implement in my classes, I will see everything as a problem and should make it as a novelty. I should find the solution and why the case exists. I'm being criticized in this thing, I guess. And then the last thing that I need to improve is, one thing that I still need to improve is, I'm not that good in creating scientific words. When we make proposal or article, we need to write in scientific words or scientific sentences, but I'm still bad in it, and I want to improve more, because I think scientific words is important for my scriptsy also, so I need to improve more my vocabularies about scientific, also more knowledge about many resources, many references, many articles. I need to read more about scientific so I can understand more words, more sentences, more vocabularies, more knowledge about scientific. So it also will helpful for me in the next task, in the next question, or the end of my college. So I think that's all about my reflection. Thank you.